Hello and welcome to how to make money on a YouTube channel with 5 subscribers. In this video, I'm going to show you how beginner e-commerce stores can get money and sales from a YouTube channel without waiting years to build an audience. And in a moment, I'm going to show you a real life example of this working. And so building an audience on YouTube takes time. For Mr. Beast, it took 11 years. For Coco Lemon, 17 years. But for us as an e-commerce store, we're looking at YouTube a little bit differently. So instead of making YouTube our main job, we have a product to offer. So we don't need the masses to know about us. We only need a select audience who is wanting to buy. So our strategy to make our e-commerce store profitable is to make videos to help one type of person. When these videos are valuable to this one type of person, they'll get promoted to the first page of Google. And with that, we can get the eyes of all of our target audience on our videos and on our e-commerce store. So let me give you an example.
This channel is a great example of targeting one person and fulfilling their needs. This channel offers videos on small business ideas. The videos are simple slideshows using the text-to-speech feature that I love too. In her description, she offers business plan templates and guides for managing finances. By targeting one person, this channel is able to speak directly to that person's needs and offer a solution.
Leave a comment below. What is your target audience? In the next video, I'm going to be talking about how to get their attention quickly using YouTube. So subscribe and hit the bell so you can get notified when that video comes out. I really hope you enjoyed. Thank you.